Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take two pictures in bereal. So to those person who don't know that in bereal, whenever you capture a bereal, the bereal will make sure that both of the cameras are working and the bereal app will take photos from the front and back camera. So I will show you it in a second. So when I click on take my bereal, you will see the front camera is opened. So when I click on the picture icon, and here you will see that it has also taken my front face. So that's the beauty of bereal. And as you can see that I took my photo of my front from my front camera and back camera as well. So here if I want to change the settings, I can click on the discovery, or I can share it with my friends only. You can change the location settings as well. After you are done, all you need to do is click on send, and this will post your bereal which has taken two photos, one from your front camera and one from your back camera. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next one.